Hi guys, so finally CMAT is over. Now let's talk about the analysis of the exam. So if you go to CETking.com/CMAT, CETking.com/CMAT, the first link on that is CET 2020 analysis, which I just updated. So let's talk about section wise first. So quant was easy comparatively to last year. There were two questions which were medium to high level. This is a feedback what we got from various students. यार it's always comparative है. जिसका मैथ्स अच्छा है वो तो बोलेगा कि पेपर बेकार था, पेपर इजी था. जिसका मैथ्स में अच्छा नहीं है वो बोलेगा कि पेपर हार्ड था. दैट्स ऑब्वियसली सब्जेक्टिव, बट या ओवरऑल टू क्वेश्चन वर थोड़ा हाई लेवल. लॉजिक वाज अगेन डूएबल विद थ्री क्वेश्चन वर स्लाइटली मोर ट्रिकी. Verbal was medium level. RC had inference based question, which obviously means the accuracy will be the main deciding factor. GK was slightly on the higher side as compared to last year. So we look at the overall analysis of the paper. If you get a bird's eye view, if you take a bird's eye view, it was slightly easier, higher than the last year paper. But bird's eye view was easy. ठीक है, एक मोटा मोटा अगर एक फीलिंग लेना तो easy था, but yeah, comparatively to last year, it was slightly on the higher level. Now ideal score required for JB is 330 plus. So उसका ideal breaker can be 90, 90, 90, 60. For MMS, which is 300 score, 80, 90, 80, 50. Mean in one of the section you have to score 90, 280 and GK 50 marks. Ideal score for PGDM is 270, 80, 80, 80, 30 is a breakup. And for 90 percentile, I'm expecting around 250, 80, 70, 70, 30. Now if you go for the section wise breakup, rank 1 will be around 350 marks. Last year was 360, last year was slightly less. So 350 is a round off value which I'm thinking this year based on the score. 99.9 percentile JBMS is at 330. 99.9 300 marks, 95 percentile 280 marks and 90 percentile 260 marks. That's my expectation from the paper this year. 90% के ऊपर आपको PGDM का कॉल, अच्छे कॉलेज सब कॉलेज का कॉल आ जाएगा, कन्वर्ट होने का चांस भी अच्छा है. बट एट 85 and 80 you might get a call, but you have to really work hard for the GDP to convert. 200 is at 70 percentile and 170 will be around 60 percentile. That's my expected from the paper this year. So this is what you do. Step 1, first out find out your percentile based on your score, attempts, and accuracy, and then we look at the cutoff. So Bajaj 99.99, Sydenham 99.96, Somaya 90.94, Willinker 99.9. Top 7, top 10 all will end at 99 percentile for the MS program. For the PGDM program, 90 percentile is good enough to get the call. Yeah, from all the top colleges. Now for example, Willinker and Dalmia will give you a call at 90 percentile, but to convert you need 99 percentile. I'm sorry, Somaya here is 97%, 98 percentile cutoff, 97 to 98, not 90. Yeah, so these are the cutoff for all the colleges. All the best. Let's hope for the best. Now next target is CET. Let's pull up all the guns for the CET exam. All the best.